Amanya bampita Nashwanda nga tuli wano nga ba producer twegasse tulabe nga tugusa ensonga zaffe kuba abayimbi batuzaalawa nnyo. Sometimes tubeera nga abatalina kye tukoze nga ate ffe babeera mu ffumbiro ne tubafumbira ebirungi. Kati nze Nashwanda nkoze ennyimba eziwera, Ice Cream, Twesaana, Jayo Nteekeyo, Helena, Amaaso, Zero Distance, Ekyama, ennyimba nnyingi kwegamba bwe ntandika okutottola ennyimba ziwerako. Naye olusi tuggwamu amaanyi kubanga abayimbi abo balina engeri bwe batutwalamu ne bataturecognizinga naddala bwe bituuka mu byenfuna. Kati essaawa eno baproducer tuli wamu kuba essaawa eno ogenda n'olaba nti federation weeri naye abayimbi beesoosowaza tobeerako awo n'olaba nga boogera ku baproducer babeera kwegamba bafa kubo bokka beefaako ngabo. Naye ate ng'emirimu gye tukola mingi nnyo ddala abayimbi abasinga tebamanyi kuyimba. Ebyaddala bangi nnyo abatamanyi kuyimba naye tubatuninga mu studio kubamu ekifaananyi ng'abayimbi bammwe bano bwe muwaana bazze ne bayimirirawo just ne babayimbira nga tekuli ngoma zaffe banaye muyinza oseka okitegeera ne bajja ne bayimirirawo nga kwegamba tewali ngoma zaffe bayimbira ddala bubi naye tukola omulimu mungi ate ne beesoosowaza. Federation egenda mu maaso baagala mbu bafune ssente naye ate baproducer babaleka out. Tugenda bawogganira abayimbi njagala muveemu ago amalala greediness naye eveewo kubakola omulimu munene.
Actually ku ssente federation ze baba wakati kirenga bakuwa billioni 5 omuyimbi aynako 20%, then the 80% bakubiseemu ezidde ewaffe zibameka so that tukola ebyuma ne tutereeza nabo ne batereera kuba era aba baleeta munaye ebyuma betulina lwakuba ebyuma munaye Nashwanda kwe yakubira amaaso era byakyalina nagenzeyo jjo nga mixer gyalina ya Prisoners saagenzeyo ono neighbor wange ali neighbor wange okuva embaala era nga nange webbusa kati newali neighbor wange wetubeera kati kyemamulina okumanya bambi ono omusajja onomanira fake nze nali mmanyi nga Joshi mwe mumumanyi ngaani nanti abayimbi bambi baali babeera nnyo ne bamanager nga be babayamba ku bino ebintu ate jjukira manager abamanyi entrepreneur ne business development kati nabo bagenda ne babasigula ku bamanager ne balowooza nti be banyini kopere naffe awo ne kituyamba kati mu kutuyamba ne tukola research tuzze wamu tukyuse industry kuba ffe music era kufe copyright so
ensonga yennyini tuli bagagga ba bwongo nabagamba sentence ziri mu bwongo so ffe tuli bagagga ba bwongo tetuli basiru.
Kakati manager bagende bakiriminga ebicontractor baba byaggwako bafune sente zaabwe then naffe bwe tuba tulina ebyaffe percentage edda ku publishing yonna tuzetaaga tugenda zikiriminga so n'olwekyo ne gavumenti twagala obuyambi obusente bwe mwaweereza abayimbi bwandiba butono kuffe kuba ffe mwana tugenda tuleeta tusasula nnyo emisolo mingi bambi ate tuleeta nnyo abayimbi abo abafuula nti nno mubatya temubatya bantu bannaffe actually mutyeffe
kyetubanja tubanja royalties zaffe tetubanja sente za muyimbi zetubanja zaffe zetwakolerera ate bwe muba mulowooza kano kagende eri abayimbi bwe muba mulowooza mugenda tufrustratinga mbu tukyawe industry twagijjamu nga tujagala etutta ebyaffe bingi tugenda gibeeramu ate tugenda gibanja paka tugenda
ebisinga okunnuma industry njibanja nnyo nga ate njitaddemu amaanyi mangi nnyo Nashwanda agibanja abantu ffenna tugibanja so industry kati eri ku process ya kubeera organized ng'eri ku process ya kubeera organized bodies zonna eziriwo tuziwagire so ba producer ne ba songwriter tuyimuse ate tetugenda kuzikiza.
You know Kagoma, you know those songs, we did them together. I'm just invited because we used to work together. This guy, he has another brother called Davis, the elder guy. These are guys I used to work with in Dream Studio. We did countless work. People like Misach, they wouldn't be here today if it was not for. I know a lot of secrets, but I keep got nailed on time in Koi. This guy has to get his royalties. Mulite tubawadde time bakuse nyo. Tuwe sente zaffe mmwe. I'm even going to work. Muyogera nnyo, you think you know everything, you think you know that. But some of us are not stupid. We also know what needs to be done. For example, you said you work with Silver Chagulanyi. I worked with him also. There's one time I called him, I told him, oh, my brother, can I do a song with you? I said yes. He asked me, how much do you charge? I told him, I charge 5 million. Then I told him, I want 5 million plus some copyright law. He told me, I'm not going to give you copyright law, but I'll give you the 5 million. So, please check yourselves before you wreck yourselves. When I was producing music, we were very few producers. I'm so happy to see that we have so many producers now. Just clap for yourself. I'm really happy and you make me so proud. It's so embarrassing, man. I can see you giving these people the empty tins. You know empty tins? I see you giving empty tins 5 billion, 10 billion. For what? Why are you giving them money? We are the ones who create them. They come with their ugly voices to the studio, and we make it very nice. Yes, those stars you have, they have very ugly voices, by the way. We will move our beats and play their words alone. Wajakutia. They sing like frogs, man. You know? But when you put some auto-tune, when you put some magic beat, when you put a Daddy Andre bass line, when you put a remix snare, when you put all those beautiful things that we do, at the end of the day, you make us look like toilet paper. Mutukozesa, nemusula wansi mutoi, nemuflashinga. Don't tell me about my copyright, yet the sound I'm producing cannot compete on the international standard. Okay? These producers of ours here, they don't have good machines. All the softwares they have are pirated. Okay? They don't have schools where they can go and learn extra education on what they are doing. Okay? I have too much sound. I even got tired of you people. I decided to take care of my cows. I have very many cows, by the way. They're the ones that take care of me. Ne music yamwe, I just do it kuvanga mulibavu. You need some money. So let me just help you guys, produce you some sounds. You can go to the stadiums and make noise for people. I know most of these gentlemen because these are guys who got inspired by me. Okay? And all of you, every sound you have in your software, so I'm requesting you, go and talk to, Uganda, if you don't talk to the man who is on top, well, no, you're just making noise. It is so unfortunate, but that is our country. Now, we are tired of hearing that you're giving the loud teens money, and they're actually doing nothing with that money. They're just buying cars, cheap cars, by the way, second-hand cars. Maybe you don't know who I've produced for. Bobby Wine is done disturbing you people nowadays. Bebe Cole, Juliana, all of them. Let me travel. Nigeria, I've worked with Wizkid, with Square, with Two-Face, with MI, many guys, Timaya, many guys. But I get my royalties from them. I do. Every month, it comes into my account. There's a gentleman called Bebe Cole. I see him driving a nice car. Nowadays, he's fat. He used to be very tiny when I used to work with him. Those guys, they forget how they came when they were poor. Okay? I sat down, created my beats with other producers. We have producers like Tony Halls, Paddyman. They are not around because they are cowards. They don't want to talk about this.